In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite not updating on the PlayStation 5. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix any issues attributed to Fortnite or any other game not updating properly on your PlayStation 5. There could be various reasons on why this happens, and in this video I want to cover as many of them as possible. So the simplest way to go about doing this, of course, is to hover over the game, select it on the home screen, and choose the option to check for updates. Assuming that you have already tried this and the update simply won't go through, then we can move on to some other steps, but if you haven't actually selected this manually, do it now. After you do this, if you are able to update, you should be allowed into the game. Otherwise, what I recommend now is that you restart your console. It might seem simple, but a quick restart can often resolve temporary glitches that might be preventing this update. So after you restart your console, before opening the game up, try again to check for updates and see if you are allowed in. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. You need to make sure that your PlayStation 5 has a strong and stable internet connection. You can go over to the settings, network settings, and run an internet connection test to confirm this. If you are not able to have a stable internet connection, then the update won't go through, and you also will not be allowed into the game because you need to be online. So double check all of this, and once you try to update manually, you check the network, restart your console. If it still doesn't work, the last thing that I would recommend is to talk to others to see if the servers are having problems. Sometimes, if the servers are down for everyone, then there's nothing that you can do. Finally, check to see if you have enough storage space on your PlayStation 5 for the update to go through, and as long as you meet all of those requirements, you should be able to download it. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite not updating on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.